Hello guys, this is Max and Russian Vibe. Today we're going to talk about Russian idioms, and I have chosen 5 craziest idioms so people really don't understand what they mean, and you will be able to understand them after that video. So let's get started. Jump right in, guys. First one. Вешать лапшу на уши. Literal translation is to hang noodles on somebody's ears. Meaning is to lie. Вешать лапшу на уши. Не вешай мне лапшу на уши. Ты не видел Брэда Питта. Stop lying. You haven't seen Brad Pitt. Вешать лапшу на уши. Okay. Next one. Делать из мухи слона. Literal translation. Make an elephant out of a fly. Meaning is over-exaggerate. Делать из мухи слона. Example. Не делай из мухи слона. Все не так плохо. Stop over-exaggerating. Things are not that bad. Again. Делать из мухи слона. Когда рак на горе свистнет. This is the next idiom. Literal translation, when crab whistles on the mountain. Meaning is never. Something will hardly ever happen in the future, or just it won't happen.
When pigs fly.
Example. Когда ты починишь стиральную машинку? Когда рак на горе свистнет. When will you fix washing machine? When crab whistles on the mountain, which means never. It hardly will happen. No, it will hardly happen. Когда рак на горе свистнет. Next one. Бросать пыль в глаза. Literal translation, to throw dust in somebody's eyes. The meaning is to deceive somebody, to try to make other people believe that something is better than it actually is. Бросать пыль в глаза. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's trying to deceive us. Он не знает, о чем он говорит. Просто пускает пыль в глаза. Again, пускать пыль в глаза. And the next one, заморить червячка. Literal translation is to starve or to hunger the worm. And the meaning is to have a snack, to eat a little bit, to have a snack or to grab a bite. Okay? Заморить червячка.
Что значит заморить червячка? Почти каждый день мы повторяем выражение «заморить червячка».
Example. Давай зайдем в Макдональдс заморить червячка. Let's go to McDonald's to have a snack, to eat a little bit, to grab a bite. Заморить червячка. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Thumbs up to that video if so, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's very important for me, guys. If you want more videos like this with Russian idioms and slang, let me know in the comments below. Hope to see you again here. It was Russian Vibe and Max. Have a nice week.